Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a new folder on Mac. To create a new folder, you can either do it on your desktop or anywhere else. To choose a location, go to Finder, and in Finder, for example, let's create a new folder in Documents. So I'm gonna open the Documents, and then here, just click on File, New Folder, and it creates a new folder. You can now name it. And click on enter, and now the folder is created. You can open it, and here you can put your files that you want to have in that folder. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.